leave Jamaica today again. Our next stressful day today. Every time if you leave, I something feel. You got the world upon me. But you know, I'll go here now, come back again. Come this time, I don't really want to know about video this time. A little busy. And even some other things. So we're there still.
So sad day for me. As usual, when Dwight is always going away. It's always sad and gloomy for me.
But you know, I soon come back again.
Oh yeah.
House are gone.
So
House are
start
gone.
up work
So
again.
some whole more video. So some whole more video. We'll go on a bell here. We have something else in the pipeline. So put that up as well.
Yeah.
So put that up as well. I know we're not hiding nothing.
Okay.
Everyone with the overseas, we come to Jamaica. Soon we'll have accommodation for them. That go on good.
Yeah. Also, I'd like to big up two of our subscribers. So I guess they're our fans. They're Aretha and their hubby, and Shalina. Was it Shalina? Right.
From Canada.
Right. Shalina's from Canada and Aretha from America. We met them just by going around doing our errands, and they recognized us. So I want to give them a big shout out. We are happy to meet you guys. Wishing you all the best on your building journey, your projects. Why is this thing shaking?
On the road, you know?
On the road.
The road.
Why the roads in Jamaica gone bad?
Yes,
Going through Fern Gully right now. It's a bit dark in here. Cool and nice.
So, my flight was 6:50, but I try to be late. I try to miss the flight. I try to miss the flight.
Try very hard, eh?
Alright. And 3.5 weeks, 3.5 weeks come like about 2 days now.
Fly off fast.
Yeah. 3.5 weeks come. It feel like around 2 days. One thing, the sun hot down like a man.
Oh my gosh.
The sun hot.
The heat is
Right
on.
now the AC bucking in the car and it feel like say come like the AC. Come like no AC nothing go on. So a Fern Gully, we are going to Fern Gully.
Cool. Yeah.
So guys, that's it. Just go on. Soon get some up a video from us again. Yeah? Just from where they will not push up no video. But you know, with a planned wedding. And I get everything started. You know, a wedding day perfect.
And it was.
So it take a whole heap.
It was perfect.
I'm going to tell you it's perfect. Perfect. I couldn't ask you nice of it.
Right. I want to thank all our guests came and those who couldn't make it. It was a lovely evening.
Nice.
Yeah.
Couldn't ask you something nice of it. Just because I can't remember the last time we laughed. We have an MC, then the MC bad.
Wicked. Vibes.
You must say one. I remember the last we laughed. Alright, so let's take care. Show them somebody in Fern Gully.
Oh, Fern Gully.
Great Fern Gully.
Fern
One of the
Gully.
main tourist attraction in our center.
Right. There are over 1,000 species of ferns in this gully. It's cool and nice.
One time you see that sunset paint.
It's like a rainforest, right?
Yeah,
It's a rainforest.
Yeah. One time you see that sunset artwork. Sell everywhere, you know. Swansea, Fern Gully, and it's made up in Ocho Rios.
It's PIM tourist too?
Pim.
Yeah.
No,
I'm asking.
I sell painting.
Make sure you know.
No, I
You're
sell
not PIM.
No, I'm not Pim. I sell
Oh.
painting, artwork. And
Just checking.
And if you want a bit of weed on the side, and your money right, you can get some weed. Alright, up some music there, sir. Over there, somewhere, right? Right,
See?
yeah,
Right what I said.
yeah, some music there, sir. See, there's
With
some
the big
here
head.
come from.
You don't see.
And when you chuck, whole bunch of you to turn over around the corner, and half the deep corner. So more while we sit down there, sir. And you blow them up there, sir. We just run, come up. For back strings, we take up back things. For chicken back, we take up chicken back. Anything we take up. And store. Right, the corner there.
Yep, Fern Gully. Great Fern Gully. That's price out here.
Said the gas thing serious.
My.
Said the gas thing serious.
I tell you.
Why did we spend 8 grand in a one day buy gas?
Another day done.
In a one day and it finish. One day. 8 grand finish. Following day I have to load up again. I said no, this is too broke. This need crowd.
I tell you. All over the world.
Oh, yeah,
Right.
everywhere it a go and say yes. Everywhere it a go and say. Wicked man. One time when you put a 6 grand in your car, you can see the needle move. No? No, no difference. Same place the needle in.
So we're out of Fern Gully now. We're at Colgate.
This is a community where I grew up, you know.
Yep.
Grew up at Colgate from 1988. Our Colgate.
1988.
Yeah, when I Gilbert, 88.
88.
Yeah.
They moved from here.
Gilbert,
88.
yeah, Gilbert blew there. Monday, I will move from a Colgate Sunday. Can you imagine that?
So this is Colgate. So guys,
We used to live there, so. She used to live over here, so. We used to live there.
you live every year at Colgate.
Yes, sir. Over there, the one never tell to the big. Try to keep out in there. Do that.
Oh.
Do it.
What's the kind of speed? Just drop on it in?
But some stuff, man. You know, some shiny from where I got airport now.
Yeah. We have to take it by the...
Alright, guys, take care. And if you
So-
can't be good, be careful.
Okay, so goodbye.